Hey, this is Sherilyn with eXp Realty, and today we are checking out William Ryan Homes in Babcock Ranch at their newest community called the Sanctuary. Our second model at the Sanctuary is called the Sweetwater. This is a one-story home, and it can have 3 to 4 bedrooms and 3 to 4 bathrooms. You can get extra extensions such as a 3 feet or 6 foot extension in the master bedroom, and you can even add a pool bathroom. This is the only floor plan that has 11-foot, 4-inch ceiling height. Check out this beautiful model. Don't forget to stay to the end so that you can hear the square footage and the pricing and all of the amenities here at the Sanctuary by William Ryan in Babcock Ranch, Florida. And again, you can call me at 931-436-3552 or email me at sherilyn@swfloridarealestate.com. Thank you for watching, and remember to click and like and subscribe so you can view all of the models here in Babcock Ranch and other Southwest Florida communities.